Hi, it's Professor Monty. Let's talk about how to find the equation of a line given 2 points, but using the point-slope formula. Okay, now remember, point-slope formula looks like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We're going to use that to find the equation. So I wrote down the steps. First, we're going to use the 2 points given to find the slope using the slope formula. Then we're going to plug the slope in either one of the points into point-slope form. Solve that for y to get your equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and we'll be done. Now, my preferred way of finding these equations is to use slope-intercept form, and we got another video that I'll link to this one at the end if you want to try that other method as well. Okay, so find the equation of the line through the points -1, 3, and 2, 9. Well, again, I want to first find the slope. The slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember the rise over the run. So this point's going to be x1, x of my first point, and then y of my first point, x of my second point, and y of my second point. So I just put them in that way, and I'm just going to plug them in. So y2 was 9, minus y1 was 3, x2 was 2, x1 was -1. So 2 minus -1. So on top I get 6. Remember that's 2 plus 1. So I get 6 over 3, or a slope of 2. All right, so I've got my slope. Well, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and I'm going to plug in the x1, the y1, and the m. Either point. Let me pick the second point, because then I don't have a negative to worry about, but I can pick the first point if I'd rather. So I'm going to go y minus, well, y1, in this case I'm using y2, is 9. Equals m is 2, x minus, make sure you use the x from the same point. That x was 2. And now I'm just going to solve this for y. So I distribute through here. I get y minus 9 equals 2x minus 4. Add 9 to both sides. And I get y equals 2x plus 5. And as quick as that, I'm done. Notice you can check your answers real quickly. By plugging in the x value, make sure you get the y. So if I plug in x as -1, I get 2 times -1, -2 plus 5 is 3. Yeah, that's the y value. That point's on the line. Check the other one. If I plug in 2, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. Yeah, that's the y value. I know both those points are on this line. I know I have the right equation, and I have the right answer.